मेरे शेर हल्ला बोल.
It's 5:12 in the morning and we're left for Udaipur. 15 hours, 48 minutes drive.
14 hours 59 minutes drive now.
14 hours, 59 minutes. Google भी अपने हिसाब से टाइम चेंज करते रहता है.
ट्रैफिक के हिसाब से.
कभी मुझे रेसर बनाता है, कभी नहीं.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
We are 100 kilometers before Udaipur, our destination right now. We just took a tea break and kachori. Max 10 minutes and then we'll go to our destination. Really tired. Really tired. Crazy. हाँ.
मैं एक बहुत क्यूट लड़की को देखा था रास्ते में.
ठरकी है साला ये.
नहीं,
ये ठरकी है.
गोरी है, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया.
Look who's talking.
2 hours later.
We are right now in this hotel, Lake End. We finally made it to the hotel at around 9:45 something. after that 16-hour drive. We are right next to the lake right now. We are staying at this hotel named the Lake End, and we're just waiting for our dinner right now. Bye लोग. मैं कल जब सुबह उठूँगा before we check out from here, तो पूरे होटल का एक वीडियो बना के दिखाता हूँ. It's worth watching. थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है लेकिन चलता है. एक टाइम के लिए रहने को चलता है. हाँ, ट्रकर स्टैंड से लेके यहाँ तक. Journey has been amazing till now.